Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Nettleman, and today we are talking about how to keep up to date in the surveying field. It's a tough question. Think back when you were in college, all the things that were not talked about. GPS was a huge deal. Lidar scanning was just getting started, and drones were not even in the picture. That was only 10, 15 years ago, but it could have been a lifetime. You could be an amazing professional today, but if you do not keep up to date tomorrow, you are going to fall behind. You're not going to be serving your clients like they should be served, and you're just not going to be prepared to take advantage of all the amazing things we have to come. So how exactly can you stay up to date? Well, let me give you 3 ways to do it. Number 1 is keep your CEUs current. Continuing education, you can do it online, pay 20 bucks, do it an 8-hour course in 20 minutes and be done. Or you can go to the state society meetings. You can look for great opportunities. You can make your own CEU course and teach it, either online or in person. So CEUs are a great way to stay up to date, because the entire purpose of CEUs is to make sure that you're not a great professional today, you're going to be a great professional tomorrow as well. Number 2 is going to be taking advantage of so many great government programs out there. I just attended the NGS, National Geodetic Survey Leveling course in Maryland, not in Maryland, in Virginia. It was a couple days. It was a big ask because I had to pay the money to get there, had to give up 3 days of work, had to travel. It was a lot of ask, but it was great. I learned so much from the NGS. I got to see their little museum. Incredible course. NGS has so many courses they offer for free. You can do them online. You can do them in person. Go get some training from the government. Their courses are the best organized, the best put together. I mean, it was high quality stuff. And guess what? NGS is using your tax dollars to build these courses. So why not go and get some great courses? In addition to your CEUs, go get some training from the federal, state government. It's worth it. Now, number 3 is your magazines. I subscribe to American Surveyor, XYHT, also, peer review like SALIS, the Surveying and Land Information Journal. Great stuff. I learned so much from these magazines. Gavin Schrock did a fantastic article on the inner workings of GPS. Fascinating. So not only are you here as a professional to produce work for clients, but you're also a professional because you stay up to date. You take your CEUs and you make it worth it. You attend extra courses like those put on by NGS, and you read. You read books, you read the new edition of Clark, you read XYHT, so many great resources. It takes time, but staying up to date and getting yourself ready for 2024 and beyond is worth it. Stay up to date, learn something new. Your business will benefit, your personal life will benefit, your income will benefit, and you will be ready to take advantage of all these great technologies we have right around the corner. So I hope you guys are excited. Tell me in the comments below how you keep your knowledge current as a professional surveyor, and I'll tell you some more tips as well. Have fun.